In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about changing or resetting your PNC debit card PIN with ease. Keeping your PIN secure is crucial, and in some instances, you might need to update it either for security reasons or if you've simply forgotten it. No worries, we're going to walk through various methods to change or reset your PIN. First, begin by navigating to the Change PNC Debit PIN page. This page serves as the primary hub where all your PIN change needs will be addressed. Once you're on the right page, your options for changing or resetting your PIN will be clearly outlined. To get started, you'll want to click on the link labeled How to Change the PIN on your PNC debit card. Clicking this will open up a detailed guide that outlines different methods available for updating your PIN. These methods provide flexibility, allowing you to select the one that best fits your circumstances. Among the options, the first one is to visit a PNC branch. If you prefer face-to-face interactions and want assistance from a bank representative, this is a perfect choice. Simply visit your nearest PNC branch where a representative can help you change your PIN on the spot. Bringing along your debit card and valid identification will be necessary for verification purposes. Alternatively, you can call PNC customer service if you prefer the convenience of handling this over the phone. Ensure you have your card information handy before making the call, as you'll be asked to verify your identity. Customer service will guide you through the process step by step, making this a straightforward option. For those who prefer DIY solutions, using a PNC ATM is an excellent choice if it's available nearby. At the ATM, insert your debit card and follow the on-screen instructions to change your PIN. This method is convenient since you can choose the most appropriate time for you to visit and complete the process independently. Finally, if you've forgotten your PIN or it's currently blocked, there's no need to panic. By clicking on Forgot Your PIN, PIN is blocked, you'll get instructions on what steps to take next. Following these guidelines ensures that you regain access to your account smoothly. Each of these methods is designed to be as user-friendly as possible, providing a solution that caters to various preferences and situations. Whether it's in person, over the phone, at an ATM, or handling blocked PINs, you're covered. Remember, whichever option you choose, the goal is to ensure your account's security and ease of access. So choose the most convenient method for you. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.